3 tornadoes on the ground. We got 3 tornadoes on the ground. And oh my god, an F1, another F1. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go.
F1.
Mara.
There's like...
Oh my god. Oh, no. We're about to get hit. No.
Look up in the sky. I don't know who he is.
It's hitting. Oh my god. It's hitting our buildings. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. This thing's huge. I'm inside of it. We're on the edge of it. Look all the... Oh my god. The wind's real. This is a... We are in the wall. Get in, get in. Get in. 2 of them. This is only the beginning. We're getting hit by a wedge. We're getting hit by a wedge. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing's huge. This thing's huge on the ground. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got another F2. 2 F2s. 2 F2s. We got 2 tornadoes on the ground right now. We got 2 F2 tornadoes.
If I could just survive this.
There's
more coming.
Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Hey guys, Best Pink Friends here. Welcome to another video. And today we got 3 tornadoes on the ground. And like, holy crap.
Oh my god.
And we are just building with cake and cooling, right? And then this happened. Then this happened. Seriously, 3 tornadoes just touched the ground. And oh my god, I think there's a chance of a 4th tornado. There's a chance of a 4th tornado.
Crap.
Oh my god.
Oh god. This thing better pass by soon. Oh god, no, there's 2 of them.
There could be 4. There could be 4.
That's why I'm going back. I'm trying to go back.
There could be 4 tornadoes.
This is bad. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Keep going. Come on. Keep going.
4th tornado on. Okay. We got possible 4th tornado.
This is bad. This is like a tornado outbreak.
Oh my god. It's touch. It's gonna hit. This is things massive. Look at those. Look at those twins.
Must be humongous.
I have to take a picture. Oh my god. That was an amazing picture. I'm going to use that for thumbnail. Oh my god.
Doesn't really matter about the thumbnails right here. It's a life and death situation.
Another one! 4th tornado! We got 4 tornadoes! We got 4 tornadoes taking cooling. Did you see that? We got 4. One of them just died, but oh my god. Oh my god, that's perfect! Dude, I'm getting a picture of 3 of them. Holy crap! I hear the roaring of them. Oh my god.
I can hear the sirens. Oh god, it's so loud.
Oh my god. It's going on YouTube, definitely. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. One of them looks a bit bigger than an F2. Oh, I hear roaring! Get it! Oh my god! 4 minutes into 4 minutes! 4 minutes! Come on! We got tornadoes this early. This is so much. Holy crap! I have to show my friends this. Oh my god! This is amazing.
Oh my god!
Jesus.
Get inside the shelter now!
We got 3 of them, then 4, then now.
Oh
my god! Whoa.
Get back down! Oh
Jesus Christ! What is up with this storm?
This is really weird. This is unnatural weather.
Yeah, it feels that way. Anyways, oh my god, I'm right in the eye. Oh my god, I almost did
I
it.
can't go in, I can't go in. It's pulling me, it's pulling me.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hey, this other guy. Get in, get in, get in.
Yep, I think we got tornado outbreak. This is a strong supercell. Okay, Cooley, we got monster supercell.
Oh god. Dude, don't get near the stairway. It's coming in. Oh god, this thing is fungus. It looks like the storms are dying
Oh my God,
down.
we got
That's
monster
good, that's good.
Jesus. All right,
Oh
storms
my
are calming down. The storms are calming down. Good news, Kate Cooley. Storms are calming down. So we don't have to worry about these. Okay, it's right there. Definitely using those pictures.
There's only gonna be one more tornado, then we should be fine, unless more, come in, like more storm systems. Speaking of storm systems.
So I got a bunch of screenshots, and this should work for a thumbnail. I hope it does.
Okay. It looks like they're all going away, so we should be good. We should be good.
Oh my god. This is like insane. Oh my!
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there was another one. No more thunderstorms, please. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. This is a world record.
It looks like all of them are dead down. Okay, good. They're over.
It's all gone. They're all gone.
Okay, I just ended that scene there.
Okay, I'm gonna end my video that I recorded. I'm definitely